Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 5, Week 4, Day 4. Listen carefully as I say a word. Owl. I hear the ow sound at the beginning of owl. Say the sound with me. Ow. Now say the word with me. Owl. Owl. Listen carefully as I say another word. Mouth. I hear the ow sound in the middle of the word mouth. Say the middle sound with me. Ow. Now say the word with me. Mouth. Mouth. I'm going to say some more words. Tell me if you hear the ow sound in the beginning or in the middle of each word. Mouse. The middle. Ow. Out. Beginning. Brown. Middle. Shout. Middle. Ouch. Beginning. Ground. Ow. Middle. And owl. Beginning. Okay, this is our fourth day, so I'll give you 3 seconds to read the word. 3, 2, 1, down. 3, 2, 1, out. 3, 2, 1, found. 3, 2, 1, house. 3, 2, 1, crown. 3, 2, 1, sound. 3, 2, 1, louder. 3, 2, 1, loudest. 3, 2, 1, rounder. 3, 2, 1, roundest. Okay, let's read this. Down. Whoops, let me get my thing. Down. Change the d to t. Town. Change the t to fur. Frown. Change the fur to cull. Clown. Change the cull to cur. Crown. Change the n to d. Crowd. Change the cur to pull and get rid of this. So plow. Change the pull to burr. Brow. Change the burr to n. Now. Change the n to h. How. Change add a s. House. Change the h to bull. Blouse. Change the bull to sp. Oh, whoops. This is supposed to be sp. Spouse. And then change the sp to mouse. Change the s to th. Mouth. Change the th to nd. Mound. Change the to f. Found. Change the f to s. Sound. And that's it. Here are high frequency words. Here we go. Color, 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 color. The color I like best is red. Early, 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 early. She woke up early. Instead, 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 instead. What do you want to do instead? Nothing, 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 nothing. There is nothing to do while we wait. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I did not see you. Thought, 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 thought. He thought we should eat lunch. He thought we should eat lunch now. Okay, here's our story. It says sounds around us. Here's some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1, nothing. 3, 2, 1, oh. 3, 2, 1, what? 3, 2, 1, through. 3, 2, 1, does. 3, 2, 1, people. 3, 2, 1, only. 3, 2, 1, there. 3, 2, 1, goes. 3, 2, 1, want. 3, 2, 1, could. Okay, here we go. So you're going to read the first part. We'll read the top together. Sounds around us. So your turn first. Ready, begin. Ready, begin. Look up, look down, look all around. Nothing can stop you from finding sounds. Let us get an early start. Listen to those morning sounds. Okay, your turn, ready, begin. Ready? Begin. A clock can make a sound to wake you up. Oh, what a loud sound! This might make you frown. It's nice to stay in bed. When you board a bus to school, it can make a sound. That sound is the big wheels rolling through the town. Okay, your turn. Ready, begin. Ready, begin. At school, the crowd can get loud. If it does, the people in charge may shout. Instead, make soft sounds like a mouse. If you thought sounds can only be in daytime, there are night sounds too. You can hear them when the sun goes down. Your turn. Ready, begin. Ready, begin. At night, you might listen to an owl or other outside sounds. These sounds are not loud. These sounds can make you want to go to sleep. The last sound of the night could be the sound of soft snores. Very nice. So once again, we add if we're comparing two things. Est if we're comparing three things. So tall becomes taller. That's comparing he is taller. And then tallest is comparing three. So we have, if I was going to do two, I'd go clean-er, soft-er, slow-er, late-er, and dry-er. Oh, cross off the Y, put an I, drier. Like he is drier than she is. Okay, so all of these are comparing two. Now we're going to compare three. Okay, so do you remember what we add if there are three? If you said est, you're right. Clean est, soft est, slow est, late est. Don't need to E. Cross off the Y, put an I, est, driest. And that's comparing three or more. Okay, last of all, a is used before the words that start with a consonant sound. An is used before words that start with a vowel sound. I live in blank old house. Would I say a old house or an old house? An would be the article because we have an O, and O is a vowel. I take a book with me to school. With me to read, or I take an book with me to read. An book. It'd be a book. So we do a. If it's a consonant, we do an. If the next word starts with A, E, I, O, or U. Okay. So we would say an old house. We wouldn't say a old house. Okay. So these are articles. So a is consonants. An is A, E, I, O, or U. Words that start with that. This is a special adjective that is used for a noun that is close. So this mask is close. That is a special adjective that is used for far away. The truck is close. It plows blank side of the road first. So if it's close, would it be this or that? If you said this, you're right. It would be this side of the road because that's closer. Okay. Why is blank blouse on the ground by the doghouse? Would it be this or that? If you said that, you'd be right. So they're probably pointing, going, what is that blouse? Why is that blouse on the ground by the doghouse? So, finally, we use this one for our special adjective when something is close. We use that for our special adjective when something is far. We use an in front of a word that has a vowel, so A, E, I, O, or U, and then we use a with any word that starts with a consonant. I know that's a lot of information because we covered articles and we covered special adjectives. Okay, everyone, I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!